Hello everyone. Today is 18th of November 2022 and we are just 1 week away from IJSO examination. तो इस एक वीक में हमें क्या क्या प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए? आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि लास्ट मोमेंट जो स्ट्रेस होता है, लास्ट मोमेंट जो पैनिक होता है कि हम क्या करें, क्या नहीं करें, क्या पढ़े लास्ट मोमेंट में? So I have few tips to share with you. In the last week, सबसे first thing is relax. Whatever you have studied till now, just go through your notes on a very superficial level, like the few points which you have highlighted, a few points you would have thought that what you have to just go through once the exam comes in. Your personal experience, your personal notes, personal agenda which you have thought that you will do it a week before the exam, that you complete on. Apart from that, what you can add to this is just revise class 8, class 9 and class 10 science NCERT book, which for you people now would be very simple, but yes, go through all the details of it. If still you have some time, what you can do is you can just read the facts of biology once, the names, the nomenclatures, the numbers, whatever it is. So the facts of biology, you can go through that once. Still, if you're left with the time, you can add one thing to it. You can solve the questions of NCERT exemplar of class 8, class 9 and class 10. The MCQs of NCERT exemplar will help you understand what you have read. Are you able to reciprocate it with a question or not? Still, if you are ready to stretch, which you should do it, you should do NCERT exemplar physics book of class 11. That will help you out to go a step above of whatever the kinematics asks for, the questionnaire which IJSO may throw to you, you will be able to get hold of that. So just go through this, and one very, very important tip to share. Your examination timing is from 2 to 4 o'clock, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. This whole week, take one sample paper, one question paper during that time positively. You should do that so that our brain is tuned to crack the question, to solve the question during that time. Should not miss the timeline. Don't sleep in that timeline because see, our human physiology will see, our human body will see. Suppose a person is in habit of sleeping at 2 p.m. every afternoon. So wherever the person is, you'll feel drowsy at that time for sure. Similarly, it is for the good things as well. If you have tuned your brain in such a way to solve the question papers, to crack the question, to take the question during that timeline of IJSO, at that very day, the 27th of November 2022, during that time, your brain will support you fully. You will be able to give the best of your potential. I hope these tips, the small tips work. If you have anything other than this to ask on, you can call on my number given below, or you can just DM me, or you can write on the chat. I will try my best to answer all your queries. All the very best. Thank you.